Holism. The concept that complex behaviours and experiences can't be fully explained by breaking it down into its simplest components. Instead, it should be explained as a whole.
One approach into holism is the humanistic approach. Maslow suggests humans are more than just the sum of their biology, cognitions and learned behaviours, and that we must consider emotional aspects or individuality. This approach incorporates subjectivity and the idea of free will, both of which are difficult for reductionism to explain.
In 1951, Rogers introduced person-centred therapy, which involved clients reflecting on their problems subjectively. This method viewed the person as a whole instead of the sum of their component parts.
Reductionism. The belief that human behaviour is best explained by breaking it down into its simplest parts, often the simplest, easiest, most economical level of explanation.
There are 4 types of reductionism. The first is biological reductionism. This is the suggestion that we are biological organisms built from physiological structures and operations, and that all behaviours are at some level biological, therefore can be explained through neurochemical, neuropsychological, evolutionary and genetic influences at that moment in time.
Environmental stimulus response reductionism. Attempt to explain all behaviour in terms of stimulus response links that have been learned through experience.
Another one is cognitive reductionism, the concept that behaviour can be defined by information processing. These information processes include functions such as attention, memory and thinking, all of which can be done by a computer. So it can be explained in those terms. This supports the arguments that behaviours can never be fully reduced to our cognition. The final one is evolutionary reductionism. This is a form of reductionism where situations are explained through evolutionary adaptiveness.
An example of when reductionism is used in psychology is within the biological approach. This approach states that a person is a result of their physiology, e.g. genes, neuroanatomy and neurotransmitters. This is reductionist as it is breaking a person down into each individual components of their biology.